Hey there, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone not receiving calls. First, on your Android phone, take your finger and swipe down from the top right. We're going to check two things. First, check airplane mode. If airplane mode is turned on, as it is in my case, tap on it so that it is dark gray and turned off. The next thing you're going to do in the panel as well is take your finger and swipe down. After you've done that, you can see this section right here with airplane mode, flashlight, etc. Take your finger and swipe down again to get to more options. Scroll down and find Do Not Disturb. If that is turned on, tap on it to turn off Do Not Disturb. Next, let's get to your phone app. Hop out of here and tap on the phone app itself. Tap on keypad at the bottom left and dial this code *002#. Again, *002#. Hit the call button. You can see it says call forwarding all, voice call forwarding not forwarded. You want to make sure everything is turned off, aka not forwarding. Essentially, if it is forwarded, you won't get those calls. After you've done that, hit the OK button. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Scroll down, tap on Block Numbers. Make sure the number that is trying to call you is not on your blocked contacts list. And make sure to turn off block calls from unknown numbers if that person calling you is not in your contact list. Next, hop out of here. Take your finger and swipe up. Tap on the Settings app. Scroll down from here until you get to the option that says Software Update. Tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install. Sometimes there's a bug or glitch, so just update your phone to be able to fix it. Next, tap the back arrow. Tap the back arrow again at the top left. And then we're going to scroll up, tap on General Management. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Reset, scroll down to the bottom, and reset your mobile network settings. Tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings, tap on Reset Settings. This usually fixes any bugs or glitches with your phone's connection to the mobile network. If that doesn't work, exit out of here and turn your phone off by pressing and holding the power button and then tapping on power off. Or if that doesn't work, swipe down from the top right, swipe down again, and tap on the power button at the top right, and tap on power off and then power off. Turn your phone off a bit and then wait and turn it back on, and it should be fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you on the next one.